Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. Today we're going to show you how to use Diskpart to convert disk from MBR to GPT. We have two parts in this video. Part 1. Convert disk from MBR to GPT with Diskpart. Part 2. Convert disk from MBR to GPT without data loss. GPT and MBR are two different ways of storing the partitioning information on a hard drive. Generally speaking, GPT disks have better performance than MBR, so many users want to convert their MBR disk into GPT disk. If you want to know how to convert with Windows built-in tool Diskpart, or how to convert without data loss from MBR disk to GPT disk, please keep watching. Windows Diskpart is a built-in tool that provides users with a way to convert disks to GPT within the Windows operating system. Here are some helpful tips you should notice. Number 1. Backup your MBR disk, because you can only convert basic MBR disks without any partitions or volumes into a GPT disk. That means you have to delete all partitions or volumes before converting MBR to GPT. Number 2. Diskpart can only convert data disk. If you want to convert system disk, you can directly turn to Part 2. Okay, let's start. Type CMD in the search box. Select Run as Administrator. Type Diskpart. Then type List disk. It will show you all the disks on your computer. Make note of the disk number that you want to convert to a GPT disk. Here we will take disk 1 as our example. Type Select disk 1. It will remind you that the disk 1 is selected. Type Clean to remove all the partitions and volumes on the selected disk. This will erase all data on the selected disk. Type Convert GPT, press Enter to begin the operation. After a few moments, you will find that command prompt says Diskpart successfully converted the selected disk to the GPT format. Although Diskpart can convert a basic MBR disk to GPT easily, but you have to delete all partitions on it, which will cause the data loss. And it cannot convert system disk either. If you're looking for a way to convert without any data loss, or if you want to convert the system disk, you can rely on this professional software, Almay Partition Assistant, which will avoid all the disadvantages, making the whole process in the easiest way. Just Google Almay Partition Assistant, download and install it. Let's take a look at this way. You can convert no matter data disk or system disk from MBR to GPT. If you want to convert system disk, just make sure to change the boot mode in BIOS to ensure it's bootable. Now let's convert a data disk, for example. Run Almay Partition Assistant to come to its homepage. See, here are all your disks. Click the disk you want to convert, and choose Convert to GPT on the left control panel. Click OK on the pop-up window to confirm the operation. Now you need to confirm the operation again. If there are no problems, click Apply and proceed. Just wait a second, it will be done. This video showed how to convert your disk from MBR to GPT with Diskpart. You can also choose a more powerful tool like Almay Partition Assistant. Once the conversion process has finished, you can use Diskpart or Almay Partition Assistant to create partition on the newly converted disk. That is all about how to use Diskpart to convert disk from MBR to GPT. Hope it can help you out. Want to know more about Almay? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with any questions.